She thought she had been completely alone out there. She was wrong. The Night Guild figure stepped forward and laid out a record that stopped Ella cold. Every beast she had dropped, every arrow she had recovered from the mud and the bark, every position she had held through the night. Weeks of movements, logged in careful detail by eyes she never once noticed watching. But here was the part that hit different. They had not just watched. Where they could, they had helped. A sound in the brush that turned a creature away. A shift in the light at just the right moment. Small things. Things she had written off as luck. Except it had not been easy for them. Something powerful had been working against their ability to step in. A magic so deliberate, so focused, that the guild could barely get close. And that was the part that unsettled everyone in that room. This was not random. The wilderness had not just swallowed her. Something had chosen her, and it had been watching from the very beginning.